Hey, it's Manny Fresh for another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you guys how to create a quick and easy YouTube thumbnail. What I use is a website called canva.com, and this is where I go to create all my YouTube channel thumbnails, and this is one of the final products that I created, but this is actually for a friend of mine, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do something like this. So canva.com is easy to use. All you need to do is create a free account, and once you create the account, then on the search here you could search what you want to create, and basically what I use here is YouTube thumbnail, and here are some of my designs. This is some of the designs that I've created in the past, and it takes maybe about 5-6 minutes to do one of these ones here. So with that said, go ahead and go to YouTube thumbnail, and once you get the canvas loaded, on the left side, this is where you get all your elements, all your photos, templates, backgrounds, etc. Some of them are free, some of them are premium, so you may have to pay, or you have to pay individually per design or elements that you use. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to select the one that I used, which is here, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and change the text, and then I'm gonna delete the background, and I'm gonna go to my desktop and then drag over that image there. So I'm just gonna expand it, make it look nice and even, and then I want to position it to the back. So you wonder where I got this image. This image you could Google online and find images that you want to use. I don't think there's an issue with Fortnite using images in the Google search. I'm not sure how the copyright works, but if you are worried about copyright, then you could definitely go to the advanced search and filter by free to use or share, and then select from the images that shows up. All right, so once you have the image or the background that you want, then you go over here to the elements and search for what you want. I'm just gonna select an arrow. All right, I'm just gonna go to my recently used. So I selected this one, change the size. Then this image, I think I searched ban. There it is. So do you see how this one says free and then this one's pro and premium? I'll stay away from those. That means you gotta pay for them. All right, so you basically putting things like that. And then you could keep adding more stuff to it. Some of the things that I use here are premium, so I'm not gonna bother with that. You could probably do some texting here. Do a heading. WTF. Then you could change the font. They got a lot of fonts you can use. It's not working out. But if you're willing to pay, you could definitely use one of this one's here. I don't think there's any free ones for that. But this looks pretty good to me. So basically when you're done, you click on download. And then I suggest you do PNG for higher quality, and then you just click download. And then once you download the thumbnail, you go to your downloads and it should be there. There we go. All right, so that's how you create fast and easy thumbnails. If you have any questions, any issues, leave your comments below, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.